trucks here at Friday 4x4's today. One hell of a way to start out the show. Crazy Cooter and the guys. For letting he's a landowner here, for letting us come in and do the video today, for letting all the trucks come in and play on his land. Here we are today at 63 McCleary Road in Spencerport. You guys, next time, don't miss out on the event. Pay attention to our website for upcoming events, when this will be next. Like I say, this is just the start of the show. It's 17 minutes after 12. Started at noon here today. And for 17 minutes worth of footage so far, that was awesome, man. That was just great. They do know how to mud here at Friday 4x4's, that's for sure. There's the hole we'll be watching today. That's the one that everybody gets hung up in. It's Erin Vanderbosch. I believe I'm saying his last name correct. Crazy Cooter, Friday 4x4's. I'd say he's one of the top drivers right here at Friday 4x4's. He's been mudding here for a while. Started out with, if you look back on my videos, a yellow truck, yellow Chevy. We went through this back on a few of my videos, and that was sitting on 44s, I believe. And Ralph's Stores, Bud 14589, my son and myself had some videos of that. That was like 3 years ago, probably 4 now. And look at where he's at today. Awesome 4x4 Chevy, sitting on tractor tires with 2.5-ton military axles. Nice toy, Cooter. Gotta love it, man. That's Beth from Play Dirty Apparel. She does a lot of shirts and stuff. She did our shirts for us last year. You can check her out online at playdirtyapparel.com. There's Beth. Cooter and Beth are a team. And we got a barnyard bogger on her. World's quietest mud truck went to cherry bombs coming up through the back. You guys remember this last year at probably the Bogging Grate and Top Truck Challenge. A Durango motor in there, I believe. Or he did. No telling with the barnyard boggers or Friday 4x4's what they've done throughout the winter. Always upgrading. Likes that rev limiter. Mud rats are in the house. And we got the big pit hole action. All done. That's one hellacious of a hole there. That's the money hole. Mud rats are hung up in the center. Making him a racetrack. Doors open up on it. Held together, made the hole. Gotta love it. Play some shit out of them. His window was down too. Nice wheeler, man. That was a nice wheel. Nice looking ride. Well put together. But you might have a little warm, broke something. Radiator's in the back, so there's radiator sets. Cooling fan, so thinking a hose came off or something up there. Who knows? That's mudding.